AI tool for students. Have you ever found yourself like this? It's 2 a.m. Your essay is due in 6 hours, and you're staring at a blank screen, wondering how life got so hard. Yet we've all been there. But what if I told you there are AI tools that can actually save your grades in your sleep? I'm talking about writing essays in half the time, taking better notes, and even managing your time like a pro. Today, I'm sharing my absolute favorite AI tools that every student should know. No boring tech talk, just real-life, practical examples you can start using right away. Let's go. Why you need AI as a student? If you're a student juggling assignments, projects, study sessions, and maybe even a little bit of social life, then this video is for you. These AI tools will help you take better notes, effortlessly write essays faster, and smarter, stay organized like a pro, manage your time efficiently. So grab a notebook, because you're going to want to try these out. Before we continue, and this is Appsolute, the YouTube channel where we make AI, machine learning, and the latest software tools simple and easy to understand. Whether you're a total beginner, or just trying to stay ahead of the tech curve, this is the place where we break down complicated tech into practical, everyday solutions. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited to discover new AI tools. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on more AI tips and resources. Alright, let's move on. Section 1. AI for writing essays. Tool example, ChatGPT plus Grammarly. Picture this. Your professor assigns a 1,500-word essay on the impact of climate change. You have no idea where to start. Instead of freaking out, open ChatGPT and type. Explain the causes of climate change in simple terms. Boom! You instantly get a structured breakdown. Now you have a solid base to work with instead of starting from scratch. Once you're done writing, run it through Grammarly to check for grammar mistakes, clarity, and even better word choices. No more awkward sentences, just A+ essays. Section 2. AI for note-taking. Lectures can feel like a race against time. Your professor is talking a mile a minute, and no matter how fast you write, you just can't keep up. Before you know it, half the notes are missing, and you're stuck trying to fill in the blanks later. That's where Otter.ai saves the day. It records the lecture in real time and transcribes it into text, so you never miss a single word. Whether you're in class or reviewing later, you'll have a full searchable transcript at your fingertips. And here's how to make it even better. Copy those notes into Notion AI, and it'll automatically summarize them into bullet points, highlight key takeaways, and even generate potential test questions. No more scrambling to make sense of messy notes. This setup makes studying smoother, faster, and way more effective. Section 3. AI for research. Research can be a mess. You start with one simple Google search, and before you know it, your screen is flooded with 30 open tabs, each one saying something slightly different. It's overwhelming, time-consuming, and honestly just a headache. That's where Perplexity AI comes in clutch. Instead of spending hours digging through random websites, just type in your research topic, and boom! Perplexity AI pulls insights from credible academic sources and gives you a clear, concise summary. No more information overload, just the facts you actually need. And if you want to take your research to the next level, try Research Rabbit. This tool connects you with related academic papers, helping you see patterns, trends, and key references, almost like building your own research roadmap. It's perfect for deep dives, literature reviews, or just making sure you didn't miss anything important. Section 4. AI for studying and flashcards. Have you ever found yourself staring at a huge pile of notes the night before an exam, completely overwhelmed, thinking, how am I supposed to memorize all of this in just a few hours? Yeah, we've all been there. Panic sets in, and suddenly, you're flipping through pages, highlighting everything, and hoping some of it sticks. But there's a smarter way to study, thanks to AI. Instead of wasting time making flashcards by hand, let AI do the heavy lifting for you. With Quizlet AI, all you have to do is upload your class notes, and within seconds, it generates flashcards based on key concepts. That means no more manually writing out definitions or summaries. It's all done for you. Now you can spend less time preparing to study and more time actually learning the material. Want to take it up a notch? Try Brainscape. This tool uses spaced repetition, a scientifically proven method that quizzes you on the topics you struggle with the most until you fully master them. Instead of rereading everything over and over, Brainscape helps you focus on the areas where you need the most improvement. It's like having a personal tutor that knows exactly what you need to work on, so you can study smarter, not harder. Cramming doesn't have to be a chaotic mess. With the right AI tools, you can streamline your study sessions, retain more information, and walk into your exams feeling confident. Work smarter, not harder. Section 5, AI for time management. If you're the type who waits until the very last minute to start an assignment, this one's for you. You've got essays, group projects, and exams all piling up, and suddenly, it feels impossible to keep track of everything. Deadlines sneak up out of nowhere, and before you know it, you're pulling an all-nighter, running on caffeine and stress. But what if AI could take the pressure off and keep you organized without the chaos? Enter Motion, your personal AI-powered planner. All you have to do is input your tasks, deadlines, and free time, and Motion automatically schedules everything for you. It prioritizes your workload, making sure you're tackling the most urgent tasks first while balancing your schedule. No more staring at a never-ending to-do list, trying to figure out what to do next. Motion lays it all out so you stay on top of your work without the last-minute panic. Now, do you want to level up your time management even more? I've got something for you. Calendar has AI plugins that can auto-schedule study sessions, remind you of deadlines before they creep up, and even suggest the best times to focus based on your routine. With these tools, managing your time becomes effortless. You'll always know exactly what to work on and when. Balancing school, assignments, and life doesn't have to be stressful. With AI handling your schedule, you can focus more on studying and still have time for yourself. Work smarter, stay ahead, and say goodbye to last-minute stress. Quick recap. Alright, let's do a quick rundown of the game-changing AI tools we just covered. We started with ChatGPT for writing essays, helping you get unstuck and structure your ideas faster. Then, we moved on to Otter.ai for note-taking, making sure you never miss a word in lectures. For research, Perplexity AI pulls together the best academic sources in seconds, so you don't have to drown in a sea of tabs. When it comes to studying, Quizlet AI creates instant flashcards, and Brainscape helps you actually remember what you learn. And finally, Motion and Google Calendar keeps your schedule organized so deadlines don't catch you off guard. Basically, with these tools, you now have superpowers to crush schoolwork with way less stress. Now, I want to hear from you. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Or do you already have a favorite that I didn't mention? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to see what's working for you. At the end of the day, school doesn't have to feel like a constant battle. Work smarter, not harder, and let AI do the heavy lifting for you. Trust me, once you start using these tools, you'll never look back. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on more student life hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.